Hello, and welcome to Civignite University. Civignite is the online home of commercial real estate expertise. My name is Roger Owers. I'm a commercial real estate broker and the co-founder of Civignite Commercial Real Estate. My path to commercial real estate brokerage began with about 5 years as a civil engineer and construction manager, followed by a 15-year career as an attorney. In my law practice, I focused on real estate law, construction law, and Indian law. I now use the experience gained in these professions to help my commercial real estate clients in a wide variety of transactions. I also enjoy sharing some of this experience with you in these videos. Due diligence is an important part of any commercial real estate transaction. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or lease a piece of commercial real estate or land, understanding what you are buying or considering buying is of utmost importance. Arizona has a plethora of online resources that are free that can be used to identify some of the basic preliminary due diligence items. In this video, I outline a few of them for you. You'll see in the comment section below that I've added the hyperlinks to the websites that I mentioned in this video. A first step in any sort of due diligence research is to perform a simple Google search. Look under the names of the entity, the owners, the officers, the buyer, the seller, the landlord, the tenant, etc. Try to identify the parties involved. You can also look up the property itself and identify its location on a Google map. Similarly, you can look at social media sites such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. to find out additional information about the parties involved in the deal. The Arizona Corporation Commission's website is a very valuable resource for understanding the formal entities of the parties involved. You can check out the ownership of a limited liability company, a corporation, a partnership, etc. This will lead you to who the true members are or the incorporators. You can identify the statutory agents. You can find entities, addresses, etc. This will help you identify the true human being owner of any particular corporation, company, LLC, or etc. County recorder websites are designed to be a public record of documents that have been recorded against a particular property. You can use the websites at the county recorder's offices to search under the names of the entity, the owners, the directors and officers, and you can find recorded documents such as liens and deeds of trust and other documents associated with the property. Websites for the county assessor offices can provide a lot of information about a specific piece of real estate. Here you can find information on the tax records, the property values, the current owner, the size of the lot, and the assessor parcel number, also known as the APN number. Your due diligence in a commercial real estate transaction should also consider whether or not the parties have been in litigation before or whether the property itself has been in litigation. To find this out, you can check out various court websites for the counties around the state. Maricopa County has a very robust website, so does Pima County and several other counties in Arizona. You can search under the parties' names and try to identify whether or not there's been any current or recent litigation involving the parties and try and get a sense of the nature of the litigation. PACER is a federal website that allows you to do research about federal cases involving the parties. You can find out bankruptcy information and other federal litigation. On the website for the Arizona Department of Real Estate, you can search under the names of the brokers or salespersons involved to see if there's been any complaints from the public or any sort of disciplinary action from the Department of Real Estate Commissioner. On the website for the Arizona Department of Financial Institutions, you can search for information about financial enterprises, financial institutions, lenders, banks, mortgage brokers, and real estate appraisers. At the website for the Arizona Registrar of Contractors, you can search for licensed contractors information. This will help you understand who the qualifying party is and who the owners of the entity are, and whether there's been any sort of disciplinary actions or complaints against the particular contractor you're interested in. This brief overview does not, of course, provide an exhaustive list of every due diligence resource available to you. However, it does provide some of the common resources that I use when I do due diligence and preliminary due diligence on commercial real estate deals and land purchases in Arizona. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for tuning in. Finally, you'll see that the links to the websites I mentioned in this video are provided in the comment section below. Civignite is a commercial real estate brokerage. We serve commercial real estate buyers and sellers, investors, and commercial tenants throughout the United States, including projects in Indian country. You can find more information related to commercial real estate, along with more videos similar to this one, at our website, www.civignite.com. Due to an increasing demand for our services, Civignite is actively recruiting highly skilled and experienced commercial real estate professionals. Contact us on our website to learn more. Also, if you would like Civignite to help you buy, sell, or lease commercial real estate, please contact us on our website. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, add any comments below, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. This presentation is for general information purposes only. It is not to be construed as providing any advice, whether legal, real estate, tax, or otherwise.